Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can firstly you have to switch to the front camera, then tap on this icon, and here you have this option mirror camera. When you have it disabled, your photos will not be flipped, they will be just normal, not mirrored. And that's how you can switch this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.